Hey everyone, I'm Sindhuja and we are here today for a tour of Ciel Terre's Indian office. We are at the topmost floor of this 13th floor building and let's go. Here's a school break area where we come out for a quick snack or a coffee. And this is the entrance to the Ciel Terre office. And on the wall are our project pictures. There's also this rack for displaying all our awards. So green. We have 3 conference rooms, classic air equato for all our internal and external meetings. That's the CEO's cabin. Hi Deepak. Into the R&D room. Here are the engineering, SEM, accounts, HR and BD departments. I work for the Marcom department supporting BD, marketing and communications. We are a very diverse but united team both culturally and professionally, with Ciel Terre's values gluing us together. So here we are signing off with this beautiful view from our office. Bye bye.